Hello and welcome to the Crypto Mining Channel, the place where I teach you everything you need to know on how to start mining cryptocurrencies easily from home, like I do with mining contracts. Today we're gonna take a look at how you can earn a passive income with cryptocurrencies and if Bitcoin mining is still profitable. So, to know all that, we're gonna have to take a closer look into my experience and into my journey that started in August of 2016. I started with buying a Bitcoin mining contract of $500. You can see the date here, the 23rd. And then this year, 2 months ago, I decided to buy a $10,000 Bitcoin mining contract. I also have um, multi-mining contracts, but first we're gonna take a closer look into my passive income from my Bitcoin mining contracts monthly. So as most of you know, I repurchase most of my income, most of my mined Bitcoins into more power for my miner. So the last 30 days it was for $1,044 that I repurchased more power and I got these rewards. Let's calculate how much that is in Bitcoin value. Then you can have a better idea at how much I am earning every month. For 650 times the current price of Bitcoin, 2,438. So that's $223. If we make the sum of the coins and the repurchased gigahash, that's a total of $1,267. So that's my grand total of my Bitcoin mining contracts. But of course, I decide to repurchase at 90 or 100%. So that's more power for my miners and no or very few mined coins in my wallet. But if I would put the repurchase at 35%, that would mean that I would have 65% income. So at 65%, that would mean $823 monthly, which is not bad at all. $823 in my pocket, in bitcoins. Actually, if the Bitcoin price rises, okay, I earn more. But that's if I would sell them, I would have $823 per month. So it was like this for the month May. Um, but this is about approximately my current income. So my current passive income, of course, I have a strategy of compounding to earn more. But this is what I would make with my Bitcoin mining contracts, which is a really nice passive income, a really great passive income. So now let's take a look at my Galaxy multi-mining contracts. It also started in August. I bought one of $500. Later I bought one of $2,500 and then of $1,000. So the total capital that I put into mining contracts is $14,500. That's the total. So let's see what my multi-mining contracts are bringing me monthly. So here it's more easy to calculate because the repurchase is at 35%, so at the minimum. So I get the most out of it. I get 65%. So let's see, 2.25038. These are my mined Ether coins. from the last 30 days times the current price. What is the price? 226. It is going up again. Yesterday it was 220. So that's $508. So in total, if you make the sum of my income of my Ethereum mining contracts and my Bitcoin mining contracts, my Bitcoin mining contracts were $823. That's a total of $1,331 that I'm earning passively monthly, and that is at 65% payout. So it doesn't even include the power, the extra power that I bought with the 35% of my income. So not only am I making $1,331 a month, my machines are also becoming stronger and stronger. So from the moment they can buy a new Antminer, they're buying a new Antminer, and I have one Antminer more that is mining for me 24 hours a day. And my journey only started last year. So $1,331 monthly. This is at the current moment. If the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin rises, it will be more. And with a total capital of $14,500. So that is about 9%. I'm making about 9% currently on my capital, on the total value of my mining contracts. Of course, of the compounding rate, I will have more and more miners who have more value, but that's 9%. So at 14,500, I have my initial capital back in about 11 months. And the contracts are for 3 years. Can you imagine? And after those 3 years, I keep on mining and compounding with the accumulated power of the compounding percentage. So 35%, or if you put it on 50%. So I keep mining indefinitely as long as mining is profitable. If prices crash, okay, then the profits stop, then the mining stops. But can that happen? Of course, it can happen, but the probability factor is really, really low. So, in 11 months, I have my capital back. How great is that? And I know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna buy more mining contracts to increase my passive income. But this is not bad. In 10 months, this is amazing. And okay, $14,500. It's not nothing. It is already a nice capital. But you have people who have 100,000, even for $400,000 mining contracts. So those they have a higher passive income. But I'm really happy with my $1,331 of passive income. And it really is passive income, because the only thing I have to do is buy the mining contracts for the price of the bitcoins. So for the rest I have to do nothing. Just take a look at my back office. If something happens with my miners, if it crashes, if it needs repair, Galaxy Mining does everything for me. So it really is passively. I love passive income because I've read many books, and if you want to be financially free, you have to have a decent passive income. Financial freedom is different for everybody. The one only needs $1,500 to live, and for the other needs $3,000 or $4,000 to live and to not work anymore, to not spend time anymore to work for money, but you let the money work for you. One of my favorite quotes is one of Warren Buffett. if you don't find a way to earn money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So I don't want to work until I die. I want to earn money. I am earning money while I sleep with my mining contracts. So I'm really happy with that. You see here, that is the total of all my mining contracts, $14,500. They will only increase. They will only increase. I see also that the Ethereum price is going up really nice, and finally I have a decent income of my multi-mining, of my Ethereum mining contract, so that's great. You don't have to start with $14,000. I started with $500. You can even start with $25. Um, why I chose mining contracts is because I'm not such a good computer expert or programming expert. I had a miner here at home, but I found it yeah, difficult, and it was not 100% passive because I had to check the miner, make sure it wasn't too hot, etc. So I prefer mining contracts, even though if you have your own miner at home, probably you will have more, a little bit more income, more mined coins, but I prefer multi-mining contracts. I like to relax. I like to have no worries, so that is possible with a Bitcoin mining contract. All the information is written in the description. You can also start mining from only $25, but that is totally your choice. So yeah, that's about all I can explain at the moment. I hope you found this video interesting, and hopefully it made you think about passive income, because that's the only way you can get real freedom. Because if you have to work all day and until you're 65, then you're just a slave to the system. And I want to teach people how they can change it, and also how um, this system can change the world. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, they can change the world for the better. They make a lot of things better, and also we don't need the banks anymore because of Bitcoin to send our transactions. So that is great, because the banks don't give us a lot of interest anymore, and we're totally dependent of the banks, and they just keep printing money. So that is not a fair system. On the contrary, Bitcoin, this is a fair system for everybody to use, and as you can see, I'm using it to my full advantage, and I already have uh, an income, but I don't have to work for it. That is the difference. So if you like this video, please press like. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments below, and subscribe to see more of my videos. I appreciate it a lot. I see you next time, guys, and happy mining. Bye.